Welcome back, everybody, to our Sunday school. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna feature the ceramic wax, 3D epoxy, and we clayed it already with 3D clay loop and our clay towel. I'm gonna show you two different forms of applying it. You could apply it by pad with the machine, or you use an applicator by hand. I like to do it by machine. It goes on a lot more even and a lot more easier, a lot more faster, okay? Because time is money. All right, so now that we already had the panel nice and prepped, what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna show you the difference between 3D epoxy and SiO2 ceramic wax glow series. The difference is that 3D epoxy is just a montan wax, a sealer wax, and the SiO2 ceramic wax has SiO2 with ceramic inside of it. So they're both the same base wax, just the difference that the glow series has SiO2 in it. And the SiO2 is gonna make it stronger and last longer and make you nice water beads. If you're using this as a business, you could do two different price points. Obviously, the one with SiO2 ceramic is gonna be a lot more of a higher price point for your customer. So the first form I'm gonna show you real quick is gonna be by machine. This right here is a black finishing spider pad. You can use this as an applicating pad. It's very, very soft. This is very, very soft. It's the same type of material. First, we're gonna do the SiO2 ceramic wax from the glow series. I'm putting plenty on the pad because the pad is dry, and I don't want to apply it on there with the dry pad. This amount right here will do about half your car. So if you guys already noticed, I did 3 patches right here. This right here already has ceramic inside of it. It has wax, SiO2 ceramic wax. Right here is nothing. You can see the difference. The good thing about our wax, you don't have to cake it on there like the old school wax, like Carnauba wax, that you had to do a lot of pasting and let it haze. This right here, the less you put on it, the better for you when you wipe off. So now I'm gonna show you how to apply it by hand. It's very simple. Put about a silver dollar amount size on your pad. Put it around. And I like to go up and down, side to side. I do not like to make circles. By doing it circles, you're gonna make scratches sometimes. All right, so now on the opposite side of the hood, we're gonna do the same process as we did with the SiO2 glow series. Now we're gonna do 3D epoxy on this side. Do exactly the same. I changed the pad, it's a brand new pad. The only thing you don't wanna do is eat this. I know it smells real good, it smells like bananas. Do not eat it. So now we're gonna do it with a soft black applicator. The good thing with our waxes, with our 3D epoxy and our SiO2 ceramic wax, if you do happen to wax these black moldings right here, they're not gonna get stained. Just make sure you wipe them off, but they're not gonna turn white. All right, so now what we're gonna do, now I'm gonna wipe it off. All right, so now we're gonna show you the comparison with the water and how they bead differently. They're both gonna bead up nice. It's just that the ceramic wax with SiO2 is gonna last a lot longer. It's gonna last you 3 months and above. And 3D epoxy might last you a little bit over a month. It all depends on the type of soap that you use. All right, so now that I put water on it, now you can see that this side right here has protection on it, but the beads are totally different to the one with SiO2. The one with SiO2, the SiO2 ceramic wax, the beads are a lot nicer, a lot more hovering. These right here are more wider, different types of beads. They both have protection. Like I was telling you guys earlier, the SiO2 ceramic wax will last longer. Thank you guys for joining us. See you next Sunday.